2. Needle Unified Feed Lockstitch Industrial Sewing Machine. The machine is suitable for heavy-duty industrial materials such as cargo handling belts and containers, as well as car seats, sofas and bags, etc. Widespread use of heavy-duty materials for general use, thereby contributing to improved quality and increased productivity. Higher the presser foot lift of 16 毫米 makes material handling easy. Thread trimming. The machine leaves a shorter upper thread after thread trimming, which improves thread consumption efficiency. Dual capacity rotary hook. The vertical axis dual capacity rotary hook reduces the frequency of changing the bottom thread and improves the efficiency of sewing work. Maximum sewing speed 3000 stitches per minute. Maximum stitch length 9毫米. Presser foot lift, manual lift 9毫米, knee lift 18毫米. Optional needle positions are 4.8毫米, 6.4毫米, 7.9毫米, 9.5毫米, 12.7毫米, 16/3, 1/4, 56, 8/3, 2/1. Bed dimensions 517毫米 x 178毫米. They use up to 90% less power compared to clutch motors. They are 1/3 lighter than clutch motors. The functions of this machine are automatic presser foot lift, automatic reverse sewing, and other functions. Especially suitable for inflatable tents, inflatable toys sewing, etc.